It's a Texas weather discussion video for Friday, the 10th of May. I'm Donovan Neal. Our weather turning a little bit unsettled within the next couple of days. Could see a few showers and storms from time to time from Friday afternoon through Saturday morning, late Saturday morning actually, and then the rest of the weekend should be mostly dry. So here's the upper air map across the continental United States. You can see our pattern mostly progressive, but not really. We still have that stalled surface front over central Texas that's been creating lots of heavy rain issues for parts of South Texas and near Houston. But aside from that, temperatures early this morning were actually pretty chilly for May, mid to upper 40s for places in the northwestern part of the Metroplex. Wow. And go down here, we're pretty much in the low 50s, and I don't think we'll warm much. We'll actually warm to the low 60s later today, which is actually 20 degrees below our average temperature, which is amazing for this time of the year. Around the nation, we're pretty cold up north, pretty cold areas to the north of us in the central high plains, where they still have some winter weather issues going on. They have some freeze advisories and freeze warnings, and even a few winter storm warnings in effect for southern Colorado. But down here to the south, we still have continued flash flood issues for areas near Austin and San Antonio and Houston. It's much of Louisiana and Mississippi, and some of those adjacent areas. On convective outlooks, got two areas of marginal risks. One for parts of the deep south, another one in the northeastern United States. We remain solidly in the light green, which means we have some thunder going on, but no organized severe weather is expected. Tomorrow, have a marginal risk for much of the deep south. And on day 3, we have that standard slight risk in effect for much of the Carolinas and parts of Georgia. And down here, we pretty much still stay dry. Average precipitation for the next 7 days, valid through Friday morning of next week. Higher totals. Still remains in the deep south, but down here we could see an additional inch of rain, could see an additional inch of rain or greater. And again, that's anything that we see late Friday evening through early Saturday morning, I think. So let's go on to the model output. This is the 06Z run of the GFS valve this afternoon at 1 o'clock local time at 500 millibars, around 18 to 20,000 feet off the ground. You can see we have that trough beginning to slowly move to the east. And down here, the GFS doesn't show much of anything for the afternoon. But let's take a look at the HRRR model. This is actually at 10 a.m. And you can see you have a little bit of shower activity going on, but not much in terms of widespread chances of rain going on. Let's take a look at the NAM at the same time period. It pretty much paints the same picture. The idea of a couple of showers from time to time during the day. So it won't be an all-day type of rain, and most places will stay dry. Just be aware that if you're doing outside activities at school or work, just make sure that you have your eye on the radar from time to time, as there could be a couple of showers. But let's go to early Saturday morning at 5 a.m. You can see a complex develops off to the west and then basically moves to the east, and that will be our chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms for the weekend. And then Saturday afternoon, we completely dry out. Most of the rain moves to the east, and we remain mostly dry. So I think today will be be a mostly cloudy day with highs in the low 60s, mostly cloudy skies. And then Saturday, once the rain finally clears, will clear to a mix of sun and clouds with highs in the low 70s. And then Sunday should be a mostly dry day. For Mother's Day, again, highs in the mid 70s with mostly sunny skies, rain off to the west. But here's Monday of next week. Of course, Monday we pretty much I think we stay dry on Monday. Most of the rain will be south enough where we stay dry. Highs will be in the low 80s with sunny skies. And here's Tuesday. Still fairly consistent with the idea of a few showers during the day on Tuesday. Mix of sun and clouds. Highs still in the low 80s. But here's Wednesday. Here's Wednesday during the day. Now, this run actually shows us dry with the rain down to the south down in the Gulf of Mexico, keeping us dry. But we've seen other runs like yesterday that actually bring a few showers, quite a bit of showers to the state, preferably North Texas on Wednesday. So. We'll keep the chances of showers and thunderstorms in the forecast for now, but we might have to take it out if later runs continue to show dryness. But here's Thursday. Pretty much the same deal. Sunny, highs in low 80s, and then on Friday, pretty much we have another trough in the west, and then down here we pretty much still stay dry with highs in the low 80s. Again, mix of sun and clouds. And let's go 10 days. This is Sunday the 19th. Trough pretty much right on top of us, and a surface low pretty much near Wichita Falls. And if I were to verify, that would be pretty wet for the central and eastern part of the country, for the state, I mean. But here's the numbers for the next 15 days coming off the next few days coming off the GFS ensemble. I don't think we'll be. I don't think we'll be. Yeah, we'll pretty much be in the low 60s today, and then after that, we pretty much warm substantially. I don't think we'll be in the upper. I don't think we'll see 90-degree weather just quite yet, but I think we'll stay in the low to mid 80s for the next at least the next 10 days. That's it for the Texas weather discussion video for today on Minutes in the blog. My next video will be posted at around 7 a.m. Monday morning. Logan Shipley will have the blog updates this weekend. If you can't catch local TV stations on the air this afternoon at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Have a great weekend, and Godspeed.